Ever wondered how you could elevate your eye makeup routine? Do you feel like you're missing out on some tips? Today, we're diving into the world of eye makeup, revealing 10 effective techniques to enhance your look and make your eyes truly pop. But before we grab those brushes and palettes, let's start from the very beginning. Cleansing. Cleansing is often overlooked, but it's the cornerstone of any great makeup routine. You wouldn't paint a masterpiece on a dirty canvas, would you? The same goes for your eyelids. Thoroughly cleansing them not only removes residual makeup and dirt, but also preps your skin for the application of fresh makeup. This step ensures your makeup adheres better, lasts longer, and looks vibrant throughout the day. It's the secret to makeup that stays put from morning coffee to evening cocktails. Remember, starting with a clean canvas is the first step to a perfect eye makeup. Once your eyelids are clean and dry, it's time to prepare them for makeup. The first step is to apply a primer. Just like a painter preps a canvas, an eye makeup primer offers a smooth surface for your eyeshadow and eyeliner. It helps your makeup adhere better, enhancing its color and longevity. Think of it as your secret weapon for vibrant, lasting eye makeup. Next, let's talk brushes. Using the right brush can be the difference between a look that's smudged and one that's smooth. Each brush has a unique purpose, and using them correctly can take your makeup game to the next level. For eyeshadow, a flat brush is your best friend. It's perfect for packing on color. A fluffy brush is perfect for blending colors together and creating a seamless transition. For eyeliner, a thin, angled brush offers precision and control. Remember, investing in high-quality brushes is a one-time expense with long-term benefits. It's not just about applying makeup. It's about doing it well. Now, onto colors. Choosing the right color for your eyes can be as exciting as it is tricky. The rule of thumb is to opt for shades that contrast with your eye color. For instance, if you have blue eyes, warm tones like golds and bronzes can make them pop. For brown eyes, try cooler tones like blues and purples. For your skin tone, stick to shades that complement your undertone. If you have a cool undertone, go for pinks, purples, and blues. If you're warm-toned, earthy colors like browns, golds, and greens are your go-to. But remember, makeup is an art. These are just guidelines, not rules. Feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Makeup is an expression of your individuality after all. Choosing the right tools and colors can make a world of difference in your eye makeup routine. So, take your time, explore, and most importantly, have fun with it. Now that we have all the basics covered, let's dive into the application techniques. Creating dramatic eyelids is a great way to make smaller eyes appear larger and more vibrant. To achieve this, you'll want to use a light-toned eyeshadow. Apply it across your entire lid, blending it upwards and outwards. This will catch the light and create the illusion of larger, brighter eyes. Next, let's talk about the smoky eye, a classic technique perfect for evening looks. You'll need a few shades of eyeshadow, a light base color, a darker crease color, and a very dark color for the outer corner of your eye. Start with the light base across your lid. Then, apply the darker color in your crease, blending it well. Finally, add the darkest color to the outer corner and blend again. Remember, the key to a successful smoky eye is blending. The colors should flow seamlessly into each other. Waterproof products are your best friend, especially in hot weather or emotional moments. Waterproof mascara and eyeliner stay in place, regardless of the situation. This ensures your eye makeup remains flawless throughout the day. An eyelash curler can dramatically enhance the appearance of your eyes. Simply clamp the curler onto your lashes near the root, hold for a few seconds, and release. This opens up your eyes and gives them a vibrant look. Mastering these techniques can take your eye makeup to the next level. Before we wrap up, let's touch on the final details. Let's not forget the lower lashes. A subtle touch of eyeshadow or eyeliner there can define your eyes, giving them a striking allure. And for a natural look, particularly for everyday makeup, opt for nude tones. These shades provide a soft, elegant appearance that's easy on the eyes. And there you have it, 10 effective tips to enhance your eye makeup routine. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if you don't master these techniques right away. Keep experimenting to find what works best for you.